So if we got like a death candle through here, I think that would tell us we're gonna change order flow. Yo, and there's equal lows here. All right, I'm taking the setup. I don't even care. It's too good RR not to. Like the RR is too good and this not to take. Like it's a 9-7. Like maybe like a 9-point loss. Maybe like a 9-point loss at maximum. All right, I'm in. Let's see what happens. You guys can watch me execute it. All right, so I'm gonna scale half here, I think. Well, yeah, I'm gonna scale half because it's 10 points. Okay, and then I'm gonna do stop the rest at break even, and then other 4 will be down here. I'm gonna scale one more contract here just for 20 points. Let's go. All right, so there's open. Now I can get stopped now. I don't really care if I get stopped. And boom, stopped out. So really good trade. That's going to be my only alert probably for the day. The next trade that I do not mind is if we get like a death candle through this, I think we definitely go to the data lows. Open. I'm going to try just one micro here. I'm going to play the profits I just made. Okay, I can take 2 micros actually. If we start dumping, I'm going to take 1, but we need to violate this OB in this fair value gap. Okay, I'm getting in. So I'm just playing with profits here. Again, this is just profits because I'm pretty confident we're going to go to the data lows. And boom. Nice. Again, pretty easy play there. So finally got it. Can't complain with that, and I am now done for the day.